Bills statement. Bill statement feature is used to conveniently create a voucher to clear a pending balance of open bill of a party. The voucher to settle the accounts may be created conveniently through outstanding display screen. At party outstanding statement, select the bills to be settled. Move the cursor over the bill and press spacebar. The color of the selected bill will change. As you select the bills, the total pending amount of selected bills is displayed at the top of the ledger accounting outstanding report. This way, you may select one or more open bills for which you like to make settlement. Bill settlement entry. You normally enter payment voucher to settle bills payable and enter the details of bills reference of the bills settled. Bill settlement is an alternative method to create payment voucher in respect of settlement of open bills by automatically carrying the details of open bills to be settled. This makes the voucher entry much faster and accurate. At party outstanding statement, click B Bill Settlement button or press Alt B to get bill settlement screen showing the party name and outstanding amount at the header. Now create a voucher to settle the open bills as follows. Voucher type. At voucher type, the voucher type payment is shown as a payment voucher is to be created to settle the bill if the bill is payable. Voucher date. At voucher date, the current date is shown by the default, which you may change if necessary to set the date of voucher. Account. Select the desired cashback account through which the transaction is carried out. Narration. Enter the voucher narration. You get the voucher entry screen for full settlement showing the outstanding balance in respect of each bill reference for the selected ledger. Full settlement. To make full settlement of the outstanding bill of the party, set yes at accept YN to save the voucher or press Ctrl A. Part settlement. If only a part payment is to be made, to make any amendment in the voucher, type in and change the amount in the voucher, set yes at accept yes no prompt and save the voucher or press Ctrl A. However, you may create vouchers in usual way selecting the bill reference as described earlier. The resulting voucher is created in the same manner irrespective of the method how you create the voucher.